Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize adaptive audio for your AirPods Pro. You have to start by open settings, and your headphones should be connected with your phone. If they're connected, you will find headphones line at the top in the settings. Tap at that line. Then you need to scroll down and you need to find adaptive audio. So scroll down and right here we have it. Tap at that line and right here we have the slider. So if you move the slider to the right, AirPods will automatically block more background noises. So just move it, this dot to the right, and if you move this dot to the left, you will hear more of surround sounds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.